Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So we are here at High Talk. Done a leak down test and one pipe's down 20%. So ripping the engine and hopefully just doing a head gasket and putting a baffle in the sump. When we put this engine in, the sump was slightly different, so we didn't put a baffle in it, or the windage tray, thinking that I'd never really push the engine and, you know, try and run numbers, but obviously that has changed, so we'll get it in there and we'll try and get rid of some oil surge while we're doing these other things. Making a few other little improvements as well, changing the radiator fan and radiator support to make that work. Get the manifolds coated, try and pull some heat out and a few other bits and pieces like that. How's this beard looking at the moment? She's a bit ratty. Hey? Time for a trim. Oh, that shiny thing's still looking pretty good down there. Ligga out the chicka. Might finally put a new gasket on the water pump. As you can see, Adrian really keeps up with the maintenance. Oh, who's the lucky bugger that's going to get to do this engine bay one day? LS Turbo Light. So I must say this funk wrap definitely feels way better than this old crusty snot. It pretty pliable, got a little bit of rubberizeness to it or stretch to it, so definitely a lot easier to work with and not so itchy, so that's a positive.
I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So everybody said that funk wrap and beanies were the way to go, and I have to agree. The internet was right. It's good shit. So no head gasket issue, but we might have a little slight bendy on a rod. Need to pull them down anyway, pull it out. Might be rod and piston time. One very dark cylinder. She's missing some bullets. One bent roddy. Don't know which one, but oh. I don't know. Oh, special steamed dim sim. Joey, you want steamed dim sim? Dim sum. So it looks like this guy has a decision to make. Oh, gotta love cars, don't you? Fun and games.
Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.